along with us as we explore El Yunque Rainforest as we zip down some water slides, jump off some cliffs, and swing on some rope swings. I booked this excursion using the Get Your Guide app on my phone. Our guide was super friendly, helpful, and even took videos for us. Should we follow this guy for 20 minutes, he said?
He said 20 minutes. Because, I mean, just sending the address to the actual place is just, you know, crazy. Why do that?
Yeah.
Jack, like, good thing I didn't get the van. Good thing I got the SUV. Woo!
Poor Mustang.
Yeah, poor Mustang.
Oh. We're dead.
We're done for.
Maybe those people should move.
Hey, Blanca, where do cats like to go on vacation?
I don't know.
Meowie!
Oh, she likes her treats. Look at it. Dog!
Oh, there's a dog. What's a dog in Spanish?
Perro.
Pedro. Pedro. Pedro? All right, we're packing minimalist. Just wear shoes, no sunglasses, no sunscreen, no bug spray. They'll keep our keys.
You'll keep your keys in the...
You're gonna just wear those then?
I feel about that though. I guess he doesn't recommend the water shoes. So I
No
guess
kids. How exciting.
for my conditioning, for my southern conditioning.
Worry about them. They're taking the boring way in. They're cutting the border. Alright? It's an easy way in. It's a adventurous way in. Now it should be a adventurous way in. Oh, you book it. Alright.
All right, I'm all stretched.
One person. Right? Oh yeah. Well, you can tell him all about it. Alright guys, so we are in the southeast entrance to El Yunque. We call this part Las Tinajas, alright? So here's what we're gonna do today. We're gonna start right here in the trail, and at some point we have to cross the river. We're gonna cross the river twice. Then we're gonna take some stairs. We call them the Stairmaster. It's gonna take us all the way to the main trail, alright? Once we get to the main trail, it's gonna be like 15 minutes from that point to the pool area. We're gonna visit two pools. The first one, point A, second one, point B. Once we get to point A, we're not gonna stop there. We're gonna continue all the way up to point B where the water slide is. Now to get to the water slide, it's an extra 5 to 7 minute hike. We have to do a little bit of rock climbing to get up there, okay guys? Nothing crazy, but we do have to rock climb. And once we're up there, the only way down will be sliding. All right guys, 16 feet long with a 5-foot drop in a 20 feet deep pool. So you need to be committed to that, all right?
I'm committed.
You don't want to do any of
Okay, so pro tip. Don't
Bring
get
some older trail shoes.
bring older trail shoes or go to Goodwill. Don't wear your nice on clouds.
Corey, I bet you're glad that you brought your black rig.
Or black shoes. All right. How you doing? Oh, Blanca stepped in a big old mud puddle. That's good. All right, Haley, I don't want to see you in America's Funniest Video again.
I did not tell you about it.
You didn't sign up for anything, Blanca. You just showed up. You know what the shy pebble wished for? They wanted to be a little boulder.
Oh my god. There better be no mistakes or nothing in here.
You got it?
They had their pretty silly hair. There's a big drop right here.
Look how pretty this is.
Yeah.
Think you're drunk?
I'm I don't want to.
taking you so long, Blanca? Good. We got some mud going on. Are you glad you're doing this, Blanca?
Wait. Oh my.
How you doing, Buckin?
Good.
Keep thinking you're Haley because you're wearing her shirt. Why is everybody waiting?
This is what we use for sunblock.
Is this the stairway to heaven?
What? Should we go up?
Mud?
This clay right here, okay?
Clay?
You can iron magnesium and potassium. It's really good for your skin. So if you want to apply it on it, go for it. Instead of the chemicals, this is what we use for sunblock.
Go on. You got it.
And people pay a lot for this in the spot.
Coach Clara, Blanca's doing her conditioning right now.
I am. I sure am.
And Coach Zub, look at Brooklyn go. She's ready for the next game.
Go Brooklyn!
Go Brooklyn! Over here too? Oh, hey, touch these.
The fern, like the pine tree looking one.
No, just touch it. Just go like this. They
close up.
They close up.
Oh, look at that. That's so cool.
I'm gonna miss the step there. Woo, that'll be a long way down. Rush hour traffic. I think it might be busy. It might be busy here.
Yeah.
Muy bien. Booking. I feel like a piece of toilet paper.
I heard you say that.
You heard me say that?
Sure? Yep. You already been
Hold my hand, it might be slippery, okay?
kind of like part of the crew here.
What do you like better, this or zip line?
Woo! This is more treacherous. I like it better. I like it.
This is, I think zip lining was super, a lot of fun, but I think this is more, this is longer lasting. Oh, you got it?
I was trying to catch you.
I got it. I got that one. Say you would have to be in some kind of shape.
Oh.
Shape to do this. Oh, here we go. I don't think you want to be in a round shape to do this. This is amazing.
This is nuts.
This is amazing. Absolutely.
That's right, guys. On the way.
Here, you want to do this and hand me the camera when I get up there.
Thank you.
Alright, let's go.
Alright, let's take a look at our weather forecast today.
Today's forecast, a lot of sunshine, blue skies, marine clouds. Just a perfect day to go outside and relax. That's your forecast. We'll be right back.
Yeah, sunny day, sunny day, sunny day.
brandy, honey, it don't matter shots. Till I drop, gonna be 24/7, golden hour like a boss. And they say, yo, guess you got a 2 o'clock appointment for a champagne shot, whoa, yeah. I'm busy trying to take it higher, got no time for never, only spending cheddar. Wish I could do this forever. Chilling with the hottest company, they all wanna welcome me to their private penthouse suite. Yeah, now I got the key. Rooftop pool, got a heli on speed. Ocean view from the highest peak. I'm complete, oh, I want this to stay. Please don't go away. Yeah. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Eco-friendly, here we invite only positivity to this party. Don't want no drama with any back combo. Got a lot of that elevator. I just wanna let it out. Just free. Don't wanna go home, oh I can't sleep. Weather's so nice, only got good vibes. Yeah, we here chillin', chillin' in paradise. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, about to get away. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny day, make way. All the stress and doubt, yeah, not today. Feels like it's been a freaking decade. Sorry, don't call me, cause I'm gonna be on break. Sunny days, sunny days, sunny days. No clouds in the sky, but
Let's go. Yeah. All right. Let's go. Yeah. All right. Yeah. Tres, dos, uno, eso. There we go. All right.
Blanca flipped a golf cart at the farm though.
Yeah, I did. I did with like 4 of my host sisters in. Marina was in.
It was Marina's fault.
It was Marina's fault though. Like I was driving.
I'll have Buck and Marina in there.
Chicken. Did you guys have fun?
Yeah, so fun.
We get snacks?
We didn't leave anything of the pockets, guys. The life is.
Blanca, you recommend this tour?
100%.
10 out of 10? That was highly recommended by our Spanish foreign exchange student. Blanca says this is a must-do in Puerto Rico. But
Instagram, ¿vale? Blanca mañana barra baja.
and say like and subscribe.
Like y suscríbete. Y darme 2,000 seguidores, ¿vale?
Hey, you guys have fun?
Yeah! That was so much fun.
What was the best part? The water slide?
Oh my gosh, it all. Like, it was so fun to like, the jump, the water slide. Even just the climb up was so fun. Like, it was so fun. Like, it had no business being that good. It was so fun. Like, the climb, the rope swing, the huge cliff jump, the water slide.
That was amazing.
That was amazing.
And the drive here was pretty fun.
Yeah. Meanwhile, we thought that we were going to get kidnapped.
Yup.
And our
It was sketchy.
It was so sketchy.
It was not sketchy.
Oh, come on.
The guy was really nice.
You guys are all a bunch of...
Yes.
He was sketchy.
Oh my word.
Hang in there, Jack Wagons.
Whoa. Whoa.
It's a rental. It's a rental.
Maybe they can use some of their money to fix the road.